What is the secret behind smooth and effortless extractions? Well, the answer is root elevators. Root elevators are essential dental instruments that combine precision and power for smooth dental extractions, used to loosen or elevate teeth or root fragments, aiding in atraumatic extractions. Today we have Walden Root Elevator Kit. Let's see what is inside the box. Coupland elevators, two Cryers or triangular elevators, left and right, 3 Warwick elevator, straight, left and right, floor elevator, straight, left and right, Coleman straight serrated elevator, Lindo-Levian root elevators. The basic structure of dental root elevators consists of following 3 parts. Blade, the functional end that interacts with the tooth. Shank, connects the handle to the working end. Handle, provides a firm grip for control. So what are the indications of root elevators? It reflects the mucoperiosteal membrane. It removes the fractured or carious tooth, loosens teeth prior to application of forceps, and removes intraradicular bone. Coupland elevators. Most commonly used blade has a concave surface on the side which faces the tooth. Placed parallel to the long axis of the roots between the socket wall and tooth roots. Mechanism. It works on lever and wedge principle. Cryer elevators. Comes as a pair for versatile use. Features an offset blade positioned at an angle to the shank. Classified as a straight elevator with a triangular blade design. The working tip is angulated with one convex surface and one flat surface for precision. Specifically designed for removing retained roots of lower molars and elevating impacted teeth. Operates on the wheel and axle principle for efficient force application. Warwick elevator. Resembles a hockey stick in design, comes in right, left and straight variations for versatile use. Straight blade positioned at an angle to the shank for optimal functionality. Features a convex and a flat surface on the blade. The flat surface with transverse serrations serves as a working end, ensuring a secure grip on the root stumps. Floor elevator. Available in straight, left and right variations for versatile use. It features a sturdy handle and a sharp, narrow blade for precise access to the tight spaces. Creates space between the tooth and the alveolar bone, reducing trauma during extractions. Coleman straight serrated elevator. Precision tool designed to assist in atraumatic tooth extractions. The handle provides a firm, comfortable grip for better control. It is suitable for elevating roots, teeth, or fractured fragments. Lindo-Levian root elevators. Lindo-Levian elevators is an incredible dental instrument that reduces impact on surrounding tissues, preserving their integrity. Specifically designed to facilitate smooth and delicate tooth extractions. Provide enhanced grip and precision during procedures. Operate with a delicate rotative movement, eliminating the need for excessive leverage. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more informative content.